Ready, Michelle?
I'm ready.
Are you guys ready?
We're ready!
Oh, I gotta start that again. That was bad.
I win.
In a tree or in the construct.
A career.
Oh, boy, I always forget it's me. Sorry, guys. I'm just like, shoot, I'm never prepared.
This is our outtake video right here.
Oh my god.
She looks kind of ginger.
She does. They were the cheapest ones. You killed that.
You totally killed it. First try. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Won't work.
There, perfect.
I love it. Okay.
The camera comes on and I'm like, I am a robot. I speak like this.
Oh my gosh, I'm putting that in the outtakes for sure.
Nope.
All making those sounds today. What's going on?
And I have the hiccups. I hope you guys can't hear me.
Oh my god. I could do it again.
The sad thing is our outtakes video is going to be like 45 minutes long.
This is Michelle. Oh, jeez. This me. Hang on a second. I was stumbling. Hang on. But do the same thing.
You should log in with your phone and have Gladys as like another person in the screen.
Okay, I gotta do that again anyways because that was just all over the place. Making a 30-second video takes 4 hours.
We're gonna have some exciting leaders from Saskatchewan.
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 Okay, I'm ready. I got this.
Hang on.
It was a good start. It really was.
Rewind.
And learn how to braid, how to blow.
That was awesome. That was awesome. And this is Megan. Oh, that didn't work. See? Try it again.
Should I say watch for us on TikTok coming soon?
I don't know where to look.
Okay, my turn.
No pressure, Michelle.
Right there.
Oh, I gotta get my
There you go.
angles down.
Let's do one arm.
Gotta be close. I got a T-Rex the one arm. Yeah.
Crushed it. Well done.